To set floating accessibility button to fade when not in use on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut section, tap accessibility button. Under floating button setting section, tap the gray on off switch next to fade when not in use until the switch turns blue to turn it on. As you can see, when this option is on, the floating accessibility button will fade when not in use. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.